E as in meet. The lips are slightly smiling, tense, and not rounded, and the tongue is tense. It is high and far forward near the roof of the mouth. The common spelling patterns for this sound are double E as in meet, feel, see, and free, EA as in team, reach, mean, and see, IE or EI as in belief, peace, neither, receive, final E as in me, we, she, he, an E plus a consonant plus an E as in these, Chinese, Peter, final Y as in city, duty, country, ability, and endings with IQUE as in unique, boutique, critique. Word pairs.
Deep sea. Beans and cheese. Severe heat. Breathe deep. 3 meals.
Green leaves. Extremely easy. Sweet dreams. Peaches and cream. Speak Chinese. Sentences for practice.
The employees agreed to meet at 8:15. Don't keep the TV near the heater. It's extremely easy to cheat when the teacher isn't here. Please speak to Peter about the employee meeting. Steve will reread the email before he leaves.